Hello and welcome to chapter 4 of the Accounting Insight tutorials. Today we are going to be looking at the bank reconciliation, and if you go to your ebook it will be chapter 4. In this exercise we are going to follow the following steps. It's basically to ensure that your bank transactions are also in the bank statement, or transactions in the bank statement are also in your bank account transactions, which we did in chapter 3. So the first thing to do is get your bank statement from your work pack. It's on page 44. If you scroll down, it's down here, page 44. I've actually got a copy of the bank statement in your Excel worksheets and your work pack, so you have it there ready for you to use. And that's what we're going to do today. So we'll get on with step 1, which is check the transactions and mark them off as you see them in both your bank statement and your bank account transactions. So your bank account transactions, you remember from chapter 3, are these ones. So we had bank receipts and bank payments. So we start off with bank receipts. So the first bank receipt we recorded was that one for 4,700. They were all banked on the same day with the £100 one, so that is 4,800. And if we look at our bank statement, we can see 4,800 banked. So we can say, yeah, that one is agreed. Move on to the next one. So that one is agreed. So the shares is agreed because it's together. It's all in the 4,800. So the next one is the 7,050 on the 1st of April. You can see clear the bank on the 5th of April, 750. Yes, so we mark that one as agreed. Mark that one as agreed. Next one is the one from John Tarzan on the 29th of May, 3,525, and cleared 1st of June. Yeah, it's there. The next one is Harry Limes, again similar amount, 15th of August, and we can see here, 19th of August it cleared. So we're checking receipts first, so there's receipts in the bank statement here. So Harry Limes cleared. Next one is V. Akelo, and that is 22nd August. Just scroll down, see what we got here. And it was for 4,700. Yeah, 4,700. We can see it there. Yeah. And the last one was £10 interest received on the 4th of December. 4th of December, you can see there £10 interest received, cleared. So we've checked all our receipts that were recorded in our bank transactions. Just mark that off. We've checked all of them, and they're all in the bank statement. And there's nothing else in the bank statement for that year for receipts. So we're happy with the accuracy of our record. So next bit to check is the bank payments. So click on your bank payments. The first check was for 940. You can see there. You can see a check number there. Same check number. Yeah, 940. Click. In the modern day, in big businesses, companies download their bank statements onto Excel, and they have some software to help them reconcile automatically with the accounting software. But here we're doing it manually, as any other small business would do. So the second check was 5875, and it was 602,002. 602,002, yeah, same amount. That's cleared. Mark it off. Next one, 3, yeah, £1,000. Yes, that's cleared. So I'm just trying to move fast here. The next one was ending 2004, £250. Looking for it. 2004. Yep, found it. It's cleared. The next one ended 2005. Looking for it. There it is. Mark it off. Yes, and mark it off in your record. The next one is 2006. There is 5534. Yeah, that's correct. 54. The next one is 2007. Let's see. Actually, I think it's the bank has got it wrong there. That should be 2007. The amounts are the same and the entry is the same, so the bank has made a mistake there. So, but we'll take that off as done, checked. And the next one is 2008. We can't see 2008. Scroll up and down. It looks like it's not cleared, so that one I'll just put that as an X. Maybe just leave it unmarked. Yeah. And then 2009. Again, 2009. You look up and down. You can't see it. If you look for the amount, which is £75. There's no £75 there, so that one is not cleared. I'll just mark these in, just highlight them using Excel. I'll highlight them in yellow as not cleared. Okay, we go to the next. So these are the entries we made directly from the bank statement, and they'll obviously be in the bank statement, but to just make sure we're marking everything off. 169, it was that one there. 169. Next one was £3.50, which was this one. 1st of April, same. Next one was 169.20. 5th of April, yeah, same one. Mark it off. Next one was bank fees, £3.50. 1st of June, 350. Make sure this is showing pence. Yeah, 350. And so that's that one. And solar motor fuels, 169.20. That's the 5th of July. Yeah. You can see here 5th of July, and the amount is there. Then 1st of October, let's scroll down here on the bank statement. 1st of October, £3.50. Let's make short pence. £3.50. £3.50. Yes. And the last one here is 171.55. Yeah, you can see there 4th of October. Yeah. So we have all the transactions in the bank statement have been entered in your bank record, which is your bank payments and your bank receipts. There are two items here that have not cleared the bank statement, and normally this is because the bank takes like 3 days or more to clear checks. So in this case, this was written on the 20th, around Christmas time. For some reason it hasn't cleared the bank, and the same with this one for the motor tax. So what we're going to do, we're going to reconcile what is our bank balance. So if you remember from chapter 3, our bank balance is here in the summary is 7,000. Let's make that bigger. 7,775, and that comes from our records of bank payments and bank receipts. And when you look at the statement here, the balance in the bank is actually 8,750. So we need to show why there's a difference between our record and the bank's record. So we'll do that here on a bank reconciliation. So the first thing to do, the way a bank reconciliation is structured, you start with the bank balance per bank statement. Any items that you've recorded but have not cleared the bank, you'll put them there, and then you should come to the balance per your summary. So first things first, balance per bank statement, and I'm using Excel here, so I'm going to do equals that amount there. Yeah, and then I'm going to go to the payments that I know that I've not cleared are these two here. So I just enter them here. So the date is 20th, 12th, 3000. You put a check number 602008, and the name was cash draw. Make things look a bit tidy. Consistent. So I've got a formula that's adding them up. And the next one is motor tax paid. That was on the 21st of December. So the 21st December, 3000. Check number 602009, and that was for motor tax paid. That was for 75. Right, so I total these two checks. They haven't cleared, so I'm gonna take those away from the bank balance statement, and I should get the balance per our bank summary. So if we look at our bank summary here, it is exactly that, and I can, if you want, can put a little check. Doing accounts with Excel use a lot of checks. So if I say equals that, yeah, and then I so make sure that minus that equals 0. So it's all reconciled. So that is your bank reconciliation. So we're reconciling the bank statement to our record of bank payments and receipts. So let's go back to the book that we're doing. So step 2 was you should be left with 2 check transactions in the bank that are not being cleared or ticked, and we've got them there. And ensure that the bank statement at the end of the period can be reconciled to the net balance of the bank account transactions, which we've got for chapter 3. We've done that, and that's the format you present your bank reconciliation. So bank reconciliations are necessary, as you can see, to make sure no mistakes are made in recording your payments and receipts. The auditors like to see a bank reconciliation because it gives them assurance that you and the bank are saying the same thing. And yeah, that is bank reconciliation. I hope you've enjoyed that. The next chapters are going to be chapter 5 and 6, and we're going to update our sales listing and our purchase listing. And I look forward to meeting you there. Thank you.